war in the Congress. BJP has hit out. Now this is based on the support that is coming in for Priyanka as PM, or for Priyanka to take an important role or responsibility in the Congress. After some netas pitch for Priyanka, BJP says there are no takers for Rahul Gandhi, even allies rejecting Rahul. That's what BJP is highlighting, and of course taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi based on the support and the pitch for Priyanka by some leaders in Congress. So it was Congress MP Imran Masood's statement that was highlighted by BJP to take this jibe at Rahul Gandhi. BJP has highlighted Imran Masood's support for Priyanka Gandhi to say there are no takers for Rahul.
और ये बात खत्म हुई ही थी तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के एक और सांसद इमरान मसूद आ गए, और इमरान मसूद ने तो साफ साफ कह दिया कि अब उनको राहुल गांधी पर कोई भरोसा नहीं बचा है। अब राहुल हटाओ, प्रियंका जी को लाओ। प्रियंका जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने में अब उनको काम करना है। और इस बात का एंडोर्समेंट स्वयं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जी की तरफ से भी आ गया कि हां बिल्कुल सही है। इसका मतलब जनमत तो राहुल से गया ही। लेफ्ट से लेकर ओमर अब्दुल्ला, जिन्होंने राहुल गांधी की बातों को खारिज किया, सुप्रिया सुळे, समाजवादी पार्टी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस जो राहुल गांधी की सारी बातों को खारिज करती है, तो संगत तो गया ही। पर अब तो जनपद में भी प्रॉब्लम है। राहुल गांधी को ना अब जनमत हासिल है, ना संगत हासिल है, ना समर्थन जनपद हासिल है, और यह साफ नजर आ रहा है। अभी कुछ दिन पहले एक और स्टोरी आई थी कि ओडिशा के कांग्रेस के नेता मोहम्मद मोकिम ने भी कहा कि भाई राहुल जी को हटाओ, खड़गे जी को हटाओ, प्रियंका जी को लाओ। तो तुरंत मोहम्मद मोकिम के निकाल करने के लिए, उनको बाहर करने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी के राहुल गांधी फैक्शन की ओर से एक फतवा जारी किया गया। अब मुझे लगता है कि इससे ज्यादा स्पष्टता की आवश्यकता नहीं है, इससे ज्यादा क्लियर नहीं हो सकता कि राहुल गांधी के अंदर किसी को विश्वास नहीं है, किसी को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। ये राहुल गांधी के लिए अब केवल जनता की ओर से नो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, अब तो उनके खुद के अलाइ पार्टनर और परिवार के सदस्य और पार्टी के सदस्य भी एक के बाद एक राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन पारित।
Let's go across to Pragyesh. Is joining us in the broadcast with more details. Another issue served on a platter to the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is taking jibes at Rahul Gandhi over what Imran Masood said and other leaders in the Congress party.
Absolutely, Swati, and this looks like a division within the family, not just in the party. Remember, BJP has been saying the problem with Congress is the leadership, and there may be division that we will be seeing in future as well. But they spoke about India Alliance, they spoke about fighting collectively against BJP, but it looks like the partners of India Alliance are soon realizing that Congress under Rahul Gandhi has soon become a liability on them, and rather than being an asset. And this is exactly the reason why Mr. Omar Abdullah has been speaking against the narrative of Rahul Gandhi on fair and free elections, and charge he has leveled on election commission. Mr. Omar Abdullah said that this is free and fair election that took place, and also the leaders of Mr. Omar Abdullah's party said that the free and fair election took place in Jammu and Kashmir. Not just that, there are many issues on which Mr. Omar Abdullah doesn't see eye to eye with Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his narrative. Not just that, Supriya Sule also spoke about the same issue in the parliament, on the floor of the parliament. And in fact, there are many leaders within the party like Imran Masood, a senior leader from Odisha, they all spoke about the leadership. And in fact, there is also a section within the Congress that speaks, behind the back of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, that there is a serious problem with the disconnect that Rahul Gandhi has with the grassroots issues, and in fact that is costing Congress its stature, its seat, and its power also. So this has become a very major issue within the Congress, and it looks like Mr. Imran Masood calling Priyanka Gandhi as the PM candidate also, it's also not just the beginning, but it also
like either the leaders or their supporters, and a lot of them actually ready to throw their hat in the ring Pragya, thank you for getting us the details. Congress MP Imran Masood pitching Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as the PM face. Businessman and her husband Robert Vadra was not far behind. Robert Vadra started promoting himself. This is what he said. There are demands from everywhere that Priyanka should come forward. There are also demands that I should enter politics. But right now we should focus on the real issues that concern the people. So Robert Vadra saying that there's a growing demand for him as well to enter politics. And Vadra's comments come after Congress MP Imran Masood pitched for Priyanka Gandhi as PM face, saying Priyanka Gandhi ko PM banao.
अपने प्रधानमंत्री से कहो अगर दम है इंदिरा गांधी जितना तो घुस जाए बांग्लादेश के अंदर। प्रियंका गांधी को बना दीजिए प्रधानमंत्री, देखिए इंदिरा गांधी की तरह कैसे जवाब देकर आएगी। आप में दम है नहीं, बोलते हैं सिर्फ।
आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर प्रियंका गांधी बन जाती हैं तो उस तरीके से बांग्लादेशी हिंदुओं को वापस बुला लिया जाएगा।
हम बुलाएंगे क्यों उनको, उनके घर में बसाएंगे। इतना दम है हमारे अंदर।
So Imran Masood is not the first one who has pitched for Priyanka Gandhi to take a more prominent role. It almost seems like there is an internal tussle. It's Rahul versus Priyanka, going by the kind of statements that are coming in. And Mohammad Mokim, another Congress neta, had earlier said that Mallikarjun Kharge, age is not on his side, so perhaps Priyanka needs to take charge. Let's now listen to how Robert Vadra is promoting himself. Robert Vadra also throwing his hat in the ring, saying there's a growing demand for him to enter politics as well.
I think she has a bright future in politics, and I think a bright future in changing what is required on the ground in this country. I think so. And that is with taking everybody's consent in mind. You know, not her ideas only, the people's ideas are there to make the changes that they require. And I think this will happen in time. It's inevitable.